Let's hear it for act number 336, Hiccup.
You know, I know you got that hiccup. This double bubble got you all lit up. Kiss and love, now you take me to hit up. Wanna get those hands on my get up. You know, I know you got that hiccup. I see snap stories of your six pack sit up. Emoji heart eyes on my pic salted up. Thoughts in your head that you can't get rid of. You know, you know, you know, you know, like I got good juice.